Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. The game must run in full screen or borderless window mode so the taskbar can hide reliably. Once done, close overlays and background recorders that force the bar to stay visible because these apps grab focus and block hiding. Make sure you know your monitor layout and which screen is primary. This matters when Windows decides where to show the taskbar. Now, press Windows key settings quickly so you can toggle taskbar behavior next. You open Settings and enable Auto Hide for the taskbar. This is the main toggle that pushes it off screen during full screen play. Once enabled, turn off notification badges and system tray icons that can pop up and keep the bar visible, because every persistent notification defeats Auto Hide. Then confirm the primary display is the one running the game, and if needed, disable showing taskbar on other displays to prevent stray bars. After these changes, go back into the game and test full screen behavior. You finish by testing the game. If the taskbar remains visible, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager that often clears stuck states. Make sure no pinned apps, accessibility utilities, or input devices are generating focus events because those will pull the taskbar up. If problems persist, switch the game to exclusive full screen or borderless window mode and retest. Exclusive full screen hands rendering control to the game, which usually hides the bar. One tip, try a clean boot to isolate interfering software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.